This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Panasonic will be able to build 1.4 million propane heat pumps per year at newly refurbished Czech factory by Michael Heinz, published September 9, 2025. Panasonic has announced the reopening of its giga factory in Pilsen, the Czech Republic, which will be able to produce 1.4 million propane residential and commercial heat pumps for the European market by 2030. The company said it spent €320 million, $373.8 million expanding and refurbishing the facility, with the investment increasing production by 250% and the total floor space to 140,000 square meters, 1,506,947 square feet. With 102,000 square meters, 1,097,918 square feet, of that being new space. With the investment, Panasonic said it has moved both production and R&D of heat pumps from Southeast Asia to Europe. The factory in Pilsen is set to become Panasonic's central hub for heat pump production and supply in Europe. Radek Vach, business planning director at Panasonic HVAC CZ, in a statement. By placing further R&D capabilities and production together on the same site, we'll be able to ensure that the factory is able to rapidly and nimbly anticipate and respond to the evolving needs of this key market. Pumping up production. The goal of 1.4 million indoor and outdoor heat pumps produced annually by 2030 includes both commercial and residential units. Panasonic's Aquaria line of residential and commercial heat pumps use propane as a refrigerant. The Aquaria residential line consists of 6 models offering between 3 and 16 kilowatts, 0.85 to 4.55 tons of refrigeration of heating capacity, while the 3 commercial models provide heating capacities of 20, 25, and 30 kilowatts, 5.7, 7.1, and 8.5 TR, and are designed for multifamily homes and light commercial applications. In February 2024, Panasonic announced the ECOIW Aqua Ni Blue, a range of reversible R290 heat pumps designed for large commercial, industrial, and multi-dwelling residential applications. The 4 models offer heating capacities of 49.2 to 83.6 kilowatts and cooling capacities of 48.2 to 74.1 kilowatts. The newly expanded factory will be able to produce a maximum of 700,000 outdoor R290 heat pumps. An expanding European presence, Panasonic acquired Area Cooling Solutions in July 2024, and with it the company gained a production facility for CO2 condensing units in Poland. Panasonic currently offers 4 HP, 10 HP, and 20 HP condensing units for the European market. As of October 2024, the company said it had installed between 10 and 20 of its 20 HP CO2 condensing units in Europe, and that strong interest was being shown in the model. Quotable: "We're seeing a marked uptick in interest in heat pumps in the European market, and we are anticipating this to be reflected in demand in the next few years," said Toshikatsu Fukunaga, CEO of Panasonic HVAC Europe, in a statement. "Our investment into the Pilsen factory demonstrates both our confidence in the growth of the market and our ability to anticipate and meet future demand."